In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size on Wix Studio. If you want your website text to be easier to read, better balanced, or more visually consistent, adjusting the font size is one of the quickest ways to improve your design. In Wix Studio, this is a simple process once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can make the change with confidence. To begin, open your Wix Studio editor. This is where you will manage the design and layout of your site. Once the editor is open, go to the page or section that contains the text you want to update. It helps to take a quick moment to identify the exact text element you want to change, especially if your page includes multiple headings, paragraphs, or buttons. Next, select the specific text box you want to edit. Click directly on the text element, so Wix Studio knows which content you are working with. Make sure the correct text box is selected before moving on, because any changes you make will apply only to the currently selected element. After that, click Edit Text above the element. This opens the text editing controls and allows you to work more precisely with the content inside that text box. If you are updating only part of the text, this is the point where you can focus on just that section. If you want the entire text box to use the same font size, you can simply work with all of the text in that element. Now, highlight the text in the inspector panel on the right side of the screen. This step is important because Wix Studio needs to know exactly which text should receive the formatting update. Once the text is highlighted, look under the design settings for the font size option. Under Design, enter an exact value in pixels in the font size field. Using a precise pixel value gives you more control and helps keep your typography consistent across your site. For example, you might use a smaller size for body text and a larger one for headings, depending on the style and readability you want. After entering the value, the change should appear right away, so you can immediately see how it looks on the page. As a quick tip, make sure the new size is easy to read and fits well within the surrounding layout. If the text looks too large or too small, you can simply adjust the pixel value again until it feels right. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.